Hi everyone, let me show you what I got in April. Okay, so I didn't go quite as overboard in April as I did in March. I was trying to do a little better than that. Still on my Milani kick though. So one of the first things, I think this is one of the first things I got, I finally wanted to try the Conceal and Perfect foundation. I watched Smitha on YouTube. If she has a ton of followers, like literally over 1 million followers. She raves about this and some other Milani products. So she just really made me want to try it. I had to research it a lot to try and find the right shade. But I finally found, I had to order it online, but it was 01A Creamy Nude. Cool undertones, light skin. I think this is technically a fair color. I don't remember, but it's a perfect match. I'm wearing it today. It's a perfect match. However, if my skin is dry or like a little more textured, it just comes right through the foundation. So I've tried it with a primer. It seemed better, but I think I'm just gonna have to either use it in the summer when I'm not, you know, as dry and textured, or just keep messing around with it and see if I can make it work for me. Because the color is just really good. I don't think this is as good as my CoverGirl favorite matte made foundation, but I really do like this. It also works better if I use a sponge instead of a brush. That just seems to work better. I bought, again, my favorite, it's a tinted moisturizer, but I use it, you know, as SPF and moisturizer. It doesn't really tint anything. I don't think it will on any skin tone, to be honest. 46 SPF, right? Yep. Yes, SPF 46, which is oddly specific. It kind of smells like clay. It's hard to find skincare that's cruelty free, and dermatology is. It's dermatology without any of the vowels. And I just love this stuff. I love the earthy clay like smell, although I don't really notice it as much anymore because I've been using this for a while now. The only other face related thing was a replacement of the brightest highlighter I've ever seen. This Wet n Wild duo. It says it's a blush lighter, but that pink is almost as blinding as the silver color. I had this and it fell apart. I did try to repress it and put it in a magnetic palette. It just kind of wasn't the same though. And I've been afraid lately of things going out of stock or being discontinued, so I just got another one. Because it really is, it's like you can see it from outer space kind of highlight, and I don't know, I just like it. Alright, there's really only 2 more categories here. Some other little beauty items that aren't exactly makeup. I got another clip. I got a butterfly clip before, and I found a dolphin clip. It's a little scary if you look at it from the bottom, but it's a dolphin. My hair is too thick. I got my hair cut, so it's actually not as heavy right now, but my hair's too thick to like keep up in one of these. If I'm doing my makeup, I could like pin it back or something. That just caught in my hair, and now I have a stray hair. Oh dear. So the clip, and then there's 3 pairs of earrings. I don't need earrings, guys. Like, look, like, and that's not even all of them. Go watch my earring wall video. But these were ones that were on my wish list forever. I got some more like disco-y fabric ones. I got the silver ones because they would go with anything. I have some purpley bluey ones, but they're, you know, they don't go with everything. I don't know why I need like disco earrings that go with everything, but they're just kind of fun and sparkly and like, yeah, I don't know. No regrets there. I think they were like $1 too, so whatever. And then I have these in a rose gold. Again, I found them for like $1 on the, it was all on Amazon, I believe. One is a moon and one is a sun, and they're the silver version of them. I wear the rose gold ones all the time, and if I don't, it's because it doesn't go, but a silver would go. I like silver more than gold usually, but I'm kind of an all color person at this point in my life. And then I ordered these cute little acrylic banana earrings because I thought it would be funny to have little bananas in my ears. But then this came. Not the right fruit. They're cantaloupe, but the more I looked at them, the more the inside started to look like something else. And I felt a little uncomfortable. So I don't think I'm gonna wear these, but they came from overseas, and when I asked for the refund, they said I didn't need to return them. So if anyone wants some cantaloupe, slightly female looking fruit earrings, I guess let me know. I thought they were replacing them with the bananas, but one part of Amazon says they're resending it and one part just says they were refunded. So I don't know what's going on. I don't think I'm gonna get my bananas, but you know what? I can live with that. The rest is all lipstick. Oh boy. Okay. And exactly 5 out of the 7 are Milani. Okay, I no regrets though, because yes, I'm late to the game. Yes, I explained this in my March haul, but I started trying the Milani Color Fetish Mattes, and they deserve all the hype. Adore them. I got the really dark one first, the Dahlia one, like the darkest, because I thought it was purple. It's really just a very deep berry red, but as soon as you touch it to your skin, it just glides. Like barely any pressure, and you just get the pigment. So I got 2 more nudes in March, and then I got 2 more other colors here in April. This one is, I believe it's called Passion. Everything will be below. I was wearing it today. I don't know if it's faded or not. I was looking for this color for a while because I wear it all the time, but it's an older, non-cruelty free lipstick that I bought before I really got strict about going cruelty free or knew anything about it. But I was like, darn, I really like this color, so I hope I can dupe it with something. This is exactly it. Like if I do them side by side, it's exactly it. It's like a muted red. So it's red, but not really. It's like a little bit softer, and I don't know. I'm glad I got it because it's exact. The other one, I thought I was getting more of a pinky nude, and it's a lot brighter than that. It's actually like a salmon pink. It looks neon there. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it's kind of the next pink up from the nudes. So it's called Petal. I liked it enough to keep it. It's gonna be a little tricky to use. I'm gonna have to like remember that I have it, and I think I have another one of these similarly colored by Nicka K, so now I have 2 of them, but whatever, it's worth it. And I like having more of a set. I'm gonna have to calm down for a little bit here because I just had to spend a whole bunch of money on some necessary like medical stuff that, you know, kind of need to make sure I can stay alive. Anyway, so I got 2 more of those. I am gonna do a you know, no makeup month again. I just have to figure out like what I need, because I try to be extremely strict, and I don't even buy replacements, so I just have to pick which month. Anyway, I decided to try some other of the Milani lipstick lines, including the famous, very viral lip stains. This one, I think it's the lightest one. It's called Rose Rising. I love wearing it. I love putting it on. It's very comfortable and pleasant. It's almost more like a liquid than even like a mousse or cream or anything. If I put like 3 coats on, and it smells good too, and so do the previous ones. If I put like 3 coats on, it stains it for like maybe an hour. Otherwise, it just doesn't for me. And there's only 6 colors of these right now. Most of them are very bright or dark. They all look very similar, to be honest, but I didn't want stained red lips for 3 days or something. So it could just be that this is the lightest one and that's why it's not staining, because other people are doing reviews on them that they're fine, like they like the stain. But like I said, it's fun wearing it, and I'd like to know that like even if it rubs off, there's still, you know, some kind of color on. That's what I was hoping for. I think it does better than those CoverGirl markers that I mentioned in the last video, but it just kind of doesn't stain for me. So we'll see what if they come out with. They may come out with some other colors. I know it kind of has to be bright in order to actually show up. And like I said, maybe that's the problem here, is that it's too close to my actual lip color, but I'm not going to buy any more of them at this time. But they are pleasant. I'm glad I tried it. I also got one of the shiny ones. I think they used to just be called like the shine version of this line. Now they're called more of a lip balm, but the shade names are the same. This is the purple one. Surprise, surprise. Purple's my favorite. The shade name is called Kink. This is one of the most sheer, apparently, of the balms. That's fine. The color is fine. It's a red violet. And like I said, it is sheer. I could not place the smell of these for a while, and it was driving me crazy. My partner and I realized it's like orange sherbet. It's like that very distinct, I could pick up a hint of citrus, but it wasn't completely citrusy. But it's like that sherbet, that orange sherbet, you know, orange vanilla ice cream kind of smell, which is very pleasant. But when it's on your lips for a while, it kind of turns on me a little bit, and I didn't like it anymore. I tried to get a second one of these that I thought was like a regular pink, and I thought maybe it would at least be more pigmented or something. But it turned out to be like a dark red, almost kind of like this first Milani one. So I decided I'm not going to get any more of these because the smell is starting to bother me. I'm going to keep this one and add it to my purple collection. They all have, so these have the same exact packaging as the two mattes, and then obviously the stain looks a little different. I don't love this packaging. It kind of looks like a grenade to me. Like I could just throw them and they would explode. I don't know. I like that it's different from everything else, that it's unique, because you can definitely tell who they are like right away. I wish this one was a tiny little bit different, but it's my only bright purple, so I'll know that it's a different line. But I don't know, like I like the packaging. I just think it's odd that it looks like a grenade. I did get one more Milani one though. I loved the mattes so much that I researched all of the other lipstick lines. This is a bold matte lipstick. It might be part of the color statement. I'll have to, everything will be below. It's called I Am Victorious, and it is a deep plum. Purple again, what a surprise. But it's an actual plum. It's not a red. Most plums turn into like berry reds, but this is an actual plum color, so it's actually purple. It smells like crap, but it also stays all day, so I can deal with it, especially for this color. There's others I probably would have gotten if they didn't smell like crap, but it's okay. They fixed it for the, you know, matte ones. So I'm glad I got it, but I'm not going to get any more of the older lines. Okay, I had a coupon again. So I finally am going to try the e.l.f. lip lacquer, and this is the one that's like sparkly. It's not just clear. I've been really into trying glosses more, even though I have a matte on today. And this is a really, really shiny gloss. This is a really nice gloss. It's just kind of thick and hydrating. I have to be careful what I put it over top of, because the wand will pick up the color and then contaminate the silver. But yeah, I really like these. I forget if it has a smell. Jury's out on that, because I kind of can smell the lipsticks from over here. I think it has a smell. I don't know. Hold on. I can figure this out like an adult. Actually, it's either a very faint, pleasant smell, or it's not really a smell. I kind of remember it smelling nice, but it's like very faint. I don't know. All right, and then I've also been into trying lip liner. I'm terrible at it. I saw a tip on YouTube, story of my life, to, at least for the start, to put the liquid lipstick on and then the lip liner, to kind of practice where you want to put it. And it's working, and I'm getting better at it. But I don't really have many official lip liners. I have a lot of eyeliners, but like gel liners that could probably be used on the lip, but I'm still learning about like if you can use them for both and stuff. I don't know. There was at a discount store near me, there was a little Profusion lip duo, which I had never tried any of their lip products before. I wouldn't necessarily have picked out this color for my first one, but it was the matching lipstick and lip liner. It was only $3. I can practice with these, and they're actually really nice. The lip liner I could definitely use for some other lipsticks that I have, but this is actually a decent lipstick. I mean, for both, for $3, that's ridiculous, but you know how Profusion is. I got all those eyeshadows, like hundreds of eyeshadows, for like $40 or something for that one unboxing. So I'm not surprised that cheap is okay for Profusion, and it's a nice color. And it lasts pretty long. So great purchase for, you know, multi purposes. Like, I can practice with the lip liner. I have one that matches the lipstick, and I don't mind the lipstick at all either. Okay, so I think that's it. I have been putting things into this box, and I don't believe I'm still waiting for anything in the mail. It's April, I don't know, 28th or something today, so the month's almost over anyway. So that's my April haul. I'll see if I can calculate how much it cost, just because I kind of like to do that lately, to kind of keep myself on track. So thanks for watching. It really helps when you watch all the way through to the end. It helps our stats. YouTube keeps track of that kind of thing, and it helps. So thank you. Subscribe for more makeup videos. We have an Artistic Tuesday. I do animal videos on Fridays. I'm art and animals, and sometimes we do anything in between. Sunday is a wild card video. Could be either category or, like I said, somewhere in between, which does exist. I promise. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon. Bye. Let me show you what I got in April. Let me do that again in case the box was loud. It's hard to find skincare that however, if my skin is a little bit of dry, has a little bit of dry in it, April wasn't as bad. I sounded like bad. It wasn't as bad. If this ice cream truck gets any closer, I'm gonna be angry for a few minutes. Here comes the ice cream truck. It's playing Christmas songs. It's April. Okay. Do you hear that? But I figure if I'm doing my makeup, I could, you know, put my... Just got stuck. It's my face. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life right now?